Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for your Alienware system. Proper maintenance is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and extending the lifespan of your gaming rig. In this tutorial, we will cover the necessary tools, the process of internal cleaning, and some professional services you can take advantage of. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. 1. Screwdriver set. A precision screwdriver set, preferably with magnetic tips, is essential for removing screws without losing them. 2. Compressed air can. This will help you blow out dust from hard-to-reach areas. 3. Microfiber cloth. Use this for gentle cleaning of surfaces to avoid scratches. 4. Thermal paste. If you're planning to replace or reseat your CPU cooler, having quality thermal paste is crucial. Now, let's dive into the maintenance steps. Step 1. Power down and unplug. Before you start, ensure your Alienware is completely powered down and unplugged. This is crucial for safety. Step 2. Open the case. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the side panel. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once the panel is off, you'll have access to the internals. Step 3. Dust removal. Utilize the compressed air can to blow out any dust accumulation inside the case, especially around fans and heatsinks. Be sure to hold the fans in place while cleaning to prevent damage. If you prefer, you can contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is in perfect condition. Step 4. Inspect components. Check all components for any signs of wear or damage. Look at the cables to ensure they are securely connected. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to seek professional help. Step 5. Cleaning surfaces. With the microfiber cloth, gently wipe down the inside of the case and the components. Avoid touching the circuit boards directly. If you're unsure about cleaning it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your system serviced without any hassle. Step 6. Replace thermal paste. If you've removed the CPU cooler, it's advisable to replace the thermal paste. Clean off the old paste using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, and then apply a small amount of new thermal paste before reattaching the cooler. Step 7. Reassemble. Carefully replace the side panel and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and in place. Step 8. Power on and test. Plug your system back in and power it on. Check that all fans are working and listen for any unusual noises. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Maintaining your Alienware gaming system is vital for peak performance. Regular cleaning and inspections can prevent issues before they arise. If you're not comfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember that with us, there are no calls, no travel required for your convenience. Keep your gaming experience smooth and uninterrupted. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.